Picking a name for your blog can be as hard as picking a name for a child or a pet. You want the perfect name that represents who you are and what you're going to be blogging about.
I'm Emily, this is Darlene, and we're here to share 5 things to consider when naming your blog.
Number 1, blog content. What are you going to be blogging about? And what's your niche? It's possible that you'll want to use that in your name.
For example, if you're going to be blogging about great food finds in your local area, make sure your name reflects that.
Number 2, target audience. What age group and gender make up your target audience? Think about what type of online content would appeal to them and come up with a fun, catchy name that will attract that audience.
You don't want people to see the name of your blog and skip over it because the name isn't appealing to them. So remember to think broader when choosing a name.
Number 3, tone and voice. Do you want the name of your blog to indicate that the content is entertaining, educational, or both?
Is your target audience likely to enjoy communications that are chatty and informal, or more considered and formal? These are just some of the things you need to consider when choosing a blog name.
Number 4, brand. Will you be building your brand around your blog name? If you're just starting out and getting your blog online, then you need your domain to match your blog name. And it doesn't have to be an exact match, but something close.
Your domain should be short, simple, and something that is relatable to your business. You should avoid using things like numbers, dashes, weird spellings, or really anything that's just going to make it hard to remember.
We recommend sitting down and making a list of 2 to 3 blog names. Then expand your list by using Google Search, a thesaurus, word lists, or rhyming words to expand on what you have.
It takes a little time and creativity, but it's worth it to come up with a great name.
Which brings us to number 5, social media names. Before you buy a domain, check to see if the social media name is available, because using the same blog name across all of your online presence just makes sense.
You can check individual social sites or use a website like namecheck.com.
Once you've taken these 5 things into consideration, you're ready to come up with the perfect name for your blog. I'm Darlene, this is Emily. Now go name your blog.